Hey guys, Alex from TKC here, and today we are unboxing and taking a look at the MonsGeek M1W, a 75% all aluminum keyboard from TKC. So let's get this guy open and let's see what we got on the inside. Included in the box, we have the MonsGeek M1W, PCB tape mod, keycap puller, switch puller, a quick start manual guide, USB-C to USB-A coiled cable, stabilizer dampening pads, a hex key, 2.4 gigahertz receiver, and the plate mounted stabilizers. Now onto some of the specs of the MonsGeek M1. It is a two-piece aluminum case with gold accent bars on either side. Included, it has a polycarbonate plate, pour-on case foam, and a VHB insulation layer. The M1 is gasket mounted for that soft and forgiving typing feel. It has a hot swap PCB that accepts both 3 and 5 pin switches, and it also has south-facing LEDs. The pre-built option from TKC comes with ACCO's Piano V3 Pro switches and the side-printed shine-through gradient keycaps. For those of you that want a complete premium keyboard out of the box, ready to go. Then we have the bare bones kit at $129.99 for those of you that want to build it yourself with the switches, keycaps, and stabilizers of your choice for a more custom build. The MonsGeek M1W is available on TKC's website now and ready to be the statement piece of your setup. Now, onto the typing test.